Good morning, students, and welcome back to your English class. Students, yesterday we have started part C of our Unit 1 and we were reading a story entitled The Canary. And what we have read in this story, we have read that Somu is a boy who has got a canary as his birthday present, and he named that canary as Molly. In the beginning, he was too much interested in the Molly, but later on, he lost interest in that as he got some new toy. He even stopped giving food and water to Molly. Now, Molly's condition was very bad. She was feeling very thirsty, she was feeling very hungry. Now, let us read what happened afterwards. Tweet, tweet, called Molly loudly. But Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun and took no notice of the little bird. Now Molly called loudly, tweet, tweet. Tweet means the sound of a bird. Okay, tweet means sound of a bird. This term is used for telling about the sound of any bird. Tweet, tweet, called Molly loudly. But Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun as he has got a new toy. And what is his new toy? A gun. And he took no notice of the little bird, and he didn't give any attention to the little bird. He didn't even listen to her. She cried, and her friends felt very sorry for her. C is for Molly. C is a replacing word, and here this C is used for Molly. Now she cried. Molly started crying now, and her friends, other canaries, they felt very sorry for her. Tears ran down her face, means tears started rolling down her eyes, means उसने रोना start कर दिया. Oh, I am in this case and I can't get out to find food and water for myself, she said. Now she said to herself, oh, I am in this case. Case is that type of house that in which birds are kept as pets. So here, oh, I am in this case. In Hindi you can say pinjra. ओके मैं इस पिंजरे में हूँ एंड आई कांट गेट आउट टू फाइंड फूड एंड वाटर फॉर माई सेल्फ. इफ़ आई वॉज फ्री आई वुड हैव गॉन आउटसाइड to get food and water for myself. But now since I am in this case, the canary is talking to herself that now I am in this cage, so I can't go out and get food and water for myself, she said. Chirpy, the sparrow, was sad too and said, Chirpy is the name of another sparrow. Chirpy, name of another sparrow, was sad too. She was looking at the plight of canary, Molly, and she was very sad too and said, what Chirpy said, let us find out. We wish we could help you. Now the Chirpy said, I wish that I could help you. The little canary drooped her little yellow head and prayed to God. Drooped means hang down. When you are feeling very tired or when you are feeling very weak, what happened with you? You droop your head, you hang your head down. So similarly, canary, she was feeling very weak as she was hungry and thirsty. Okay, so see what she did. The little canary drooped her little yellow head and prayed to God and started praying to God that what will happen to me now. Early next morning, Somu's mother came to wake him. Now next morning, Somu's mother came into his room to wake him up. Okay, so she was surprised. Now she got wondered, she got surprised when she did not hear the sweet voice of the canary. Voice means sound. So now she got surprised when she didn't hear the sweet voice, the sweet sound of the canary, as canary always keep on singing melodiously, softly and gently as we read in the lesson. But she got surprised when she didn't hear the sweet voice of the canary. Means जब वो कमरे में आई तो उन्होंने उसकी आवाज़ नहीं सुनी और वो हैरान हो गई. She peered into the cage. Peered means looked. Peered means looked. She peered into the cage means उन्होंने पिंजरे में झांक के देखा, पिंजरे के अंदर देखा. Molly was lying there half dead. Now Molly was lying there half dead. Molly वहाँ पे अधमरी पड़ी हुई थी. भाई Why she was lying half dead? Because she was hungry and thirsty. Somu's mother took her out of the case. Now Somu's mother opened the case and took her out of the case carefully, with care, okay, and stroked her yellow feathers. Stroked means when you touch something or somebody gently with your hands. So similarly, Somu's mother stroked her yellow feathers. तो सोमू की मदर ने क्या किया? जेंटली, बहुत केयरफुली मॉली को बाहर निकाला एंड स्ट्रोक्ड हर येलो फेदर्स, और उसके येलो पीले पीले पंखों को, फेदर्स को, विंग्स को जो है वो सहलाने लगी. She fed the little bird with fresh seeds and water. Fed means feed, fed. खिलाना. ठीक है. So she fed the little bird. उसने छोटे से पक्षी को क्या खिलाया? Fresh seeds and water. She was very angry with her son. Now mother got very angry with Somu. What a dreadful thing. Now mother started talking to Somu. What a dreadful. See the spellings of dreadful. 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 It means very bad. What a dreadful thing. It's very bad. If you can't look after this poor creature, you have no right to keep it. Now mother is scolding him that if you can't look after this poor creature. Creature means living being or living thing. That if you can't look after it, if you can't take care of it, then you have no right to keep it. Means कि अगर आप इसकी देखभाल नहीं कर सकते हो तो आपको कोई अधिकार नहीं है. You have no right. Right here means अधिकार. To keep it, इसको रखने का. I am so ashamed of you. Ashamed means feeling guilty or feeling embarrassed. शर्मिंदा होना. Feeling sorry. I am so ashamed of you. मैं आपसे बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ, बहुत ही दुखी हूँ. Said the mother. Now mother said it to the Somu. Somu burst into tears. Burst into tears means he started crying. He started producing tears. Tears rolled down from Somu's eyes and he felt sorry and he said sorry to his mother. Thereafter, he looked after Molly, the little canary, very well. So thereafter means after that. He looked after Molly. He started taking care. Looked after means taking care. देखभाल करना. After Molly, the little canary, very well. बहुत अच्छे से उसने जो है वो उसका ध्यान रखना फिर start कर दिया. So students, what we read in the story, we read that how Somu got a little canary as a birthday present, and how in the beginning he took care of her, and later on he lost interest in Molly and he started neglecting her, avoiding her, and how Molly was lying half dead due to hunger and thirst in her case, and how Somu's mother fed canary with seeds and water, and how she scolded Somu for his careless behavior. So students, what we learned from this story, we learned that if you are keeping a pet at your home, okay, if you are keeping a pet at your home, you are responsible for its well-being. Means you should take care of that pet properly. Okay, so that's all about the story of the canary. Now, what is your homework for today? Today, students, you have to read this story again, okay, as a whole. And what you will do, you will find out at least 10 naming words and 10 replacing words. 10 naming words and 10 action words from the story. And you will write those words in your notebook. Have you understood what is your homework? आपको ये स्टोरी दोबारा पढ़नी है, ठीक है. इसको पढ़ना है अच्छे से. फिर आपने क्या करना है, इसमें से 10 जो हैं वो नेमिंग वर्ड्स ढूंढने हैं और 10 रिप्लेस एक्शन वर्ड्स ढूंढने हैं और उनको अपनी कॉपी पर लिस्ट डाउन करना है, लिखना है, ठीक है. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.